how to get a custom crosshair on PS5. So what you want to do is open up Fortnite on the PS5 and click on the options button here on your controller. Next, you will go into the settings. So go to settings here and you want to click on support and refunds. Now click on support. This is going to take us to the Epic Games page. And once we're taken to the Epic Games webpage, you will click on store here in the top left. Click on store, give it some time to load. It can take up to 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so it loaded. Now you want to use the search bar to search for Crosshair. So just click on Crosshair again. It might be a little bit slow, but just click on Crosshair here or click on the search bar and type Crosshair. So here, as you can see, it's a free application and you can change your crosshair. So you'll click on Get Here. It's going to take us to the sign-in page. So you just want to log into your Epic Games account, get this application, and you will get a custom crosshair in Fortnite. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.